हेलो हाय नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स। आज हम हावड़ा से एनजेपी मूव कर रहे थे इन पहाड़िया एक्सप्रेस फर्स्ट क्लास एसी कंपार्टमेंट। देखिए ये एक टाइप का होता है, ऊपर दो नीचे दो, एंड दिस वन इज फॉर अस कपल एंड इट्स 2 seats, 1 up and 1 down in Pahadia Express first AC journey from Hawrah to NJP New Jalpaigudi Siliguri Junction. So we start our journey and this is NJP station. Beautiful station with beautiful looks and this one is very beautiful. We are going to Gangtok, so this one is our last station. After that we will take taxi. Bandi Mataram. Very nice weather to enjoy the journey. We start our journey in 10 p.m. and reached by 9 a.m. next day in NJP station. After that we will take a taxi towards Gangtok.